Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Kitchen Khiladi. Yes, ഇന്നത്തെ കിച്ചൺ കിലാടി വളരെ സ്പെഷ്യലാണ് ബിക്കോസ് സെമി ഫൈനൽ ആണല്ലോ. ഇതെന്താണ് ഗ്രീൻ ക്യാപ്സിക്കം, പക്ഷേ ബ്ലാക്ക് ബോക്സിൽ ഇരിക്കുന്നത് റെഡ് ക്യാപ്സിക്കം. ദാറ്റ്സ് ദ ഓൺലി സ്കൂപ്പ് ഐ കൻ ടെൽ യു റൈറ്റ് നൗ. ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ ആൻഡ് see what happens in today's show. First, I will introduce you to the international judge, who is Chef Atim Suyatim.
My name is Atim Suyatim. I am from Indonesia. I am starting with the chef field in early young age. By 2001, I moved to the Middle East, exactly in the Abu Dhabi. Joining with the Millennium Hotel Group, and then move on with Middle East. I went to Qatar, Bahrain, Oman, and then again I back to the Dubai. In 2012, luckily I am passed with the exam for the judges approval by World Association Chef Society, based in France in 2012. Since then, I am a lot of judging in international competition, almost across Middle East.
Come, Chef Atim Suyatim. How are you, brother?
I'm good, Chef Anil.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam. Thank you being here for the semi-final round Kitchen Khiladi.
You are special for
Kitchen
super
Khiladi.
Kitchen Khiladi. Everybody knows like this.
Yes, this is the code of the Kitchen Khiladi.
Kitchen Khiladi.
So what happening today actually for the
Today is not a comedy show. Very serious. Okay.
Okay.
This is last joke from you. This man is a joking chef. You have seen serious chefs.
Come on,
you have
funny?
seen iron chefs, but this is funny chef.
Funny chef.
Funny chef.
That I agree with.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we will have fun today.
Sure.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Okay. He will have fun today. He is a judge. I will be a moderator. I will be a referee. But I will not help anybody in cooking.
You don't touch.
No, I will not touch.
Okay. Good boy.
So let's bring the boy and the girl who are participants of today's semi-final Kitchen Khiladi contest.
Yes.
First, the lady contestant, which is a wild card entry, Tasneem.
Hi, I'm Tasneem. I'm Sri Lankan and I'm back on Kitchen Khiladi for the third time now because of popular demand. The last time I was on the show, I lost. So I'm glad to be brought in with a wild card and I get to have another chance at the competitions. I'm back on Kitchen Khiladi for the third time. I'm going to fight my way into the finals. Here I come. Hello, thank you.
Welcome, Tasneem. Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing?
How are you?
Good, how are you?
You are ready?
Yes.
Very good.
Very good. Next is Edward.
My name is Edward. I'm back. I had a fantastic first round, very challenging. Asha was tough competition. Did a fantastic job. I won that round and I'm back here to challenge this next round, which is Asian. I've been told it's Asian. That'll be a challenge because you got to add a little bit of spice. I don't know how that's going to work out. Edward D'Souza, I'm back. The bell is gone. Round 2. I'm here to compete on Kitchen Khiladi.
Edward D'Souza from Goa, India.
How are you, sir?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you. Okay. At least shake hand first, you know?
He's scared of the gloves.
Not the Manny Pacquiao one.
So, this is a banker and this is a student. You are studying in Heriot-Watt University?
Sorry, no, University of Wollongong.
Oh, I got the university wrong. You are studying in the University of Wollongong.
Yes, I am.
You are studying masters in
HR, Human Resource
Human Resource Development. Let's see how you develop the recipe today. And you are a banker. You're working for Sharjah International Bank.
Sharjah Islamic Bank.
Sharjah
and
Islamic Bank.
Also working in HR.
Also working in HR. One is a HR teacher, one is a HR student. Let's see what happens to the food.
Yes.
Today is Chinese and Asian.
A lot of influence there, you know. I believe that.
They have only 30 minutes and Chef
Wow.
Atim.
Okay.
Chef Atim and 30 minutes with ingredients. This is not the actual ingredients. Actual ingredients inside the black box. Please go to the black box. Please go to your black box. Open the black box.
Something surprise.
Surprise, surprise.
My,
Can you take it
God.
out and put it on the table and tell us what is it?
we got rice vermicelli,
Rice noodles.
vermicelli.
Oh,
got-
okay.
Big
green
red
chilies.
bell pepper.
Green chilies. Show me the green chili. This is not normal green chili.
Wow.
This is Japanese green chili.
So as soon as I opened the black box, there were rice noodles, shiitake mushrooms, nothing that I hadn't seen before. So I think that calmed me down a little because I was really nervous that there would be something that I hadn't worked with before. The fish looked pretty simple as well. It was just a fillet of fish. So yeah, it was all pretty ordinary, and I wasn't freaking out, but I still hadn't had any idea as to what to do with it.
And that is what fish is that?
Sea
That's
bass.
sea bass.
Okay,
Wow.
sea bass.
I think something is very nice.
Yeah. Sea bass
Okay.
fillet, clean and cut, ready to use. Rice noodles, Japanese mushroom, red pepper, and Japanese hot green chili.
Black box, opened it, found noodles, found fish, and was a little shocked, but had to make a plan. Did a plan, went on with it.
So, ready? I'm going to set the timer, and 30 minutes is your time, and your time will start now. 30 minutes to go.
What is going on in the
Bank.
here?
Bank.
Mr. Edward Banker. Yes, the banker, Mr. the Banker. You didn't bring money, right now?
No.
You didn't bring any money?
No money.
No money. We don't accept money.
No money.
Only dish.
But if you want honey, is there? No money, no honey.
No money, no honey.
Yes, that is what we wanted, you know. So I believe in your mind is already there, yeah, for
Yeah.
the recipe. Okay.
What are you going to make?
I'm gonna make some.
I think secret. Don't tell anything.
Okay.
Oh,
my God.
What is this? Don't be miss this part, you know.
No.
Oh, he tried to chop it some garlic, you know.
Oh.
Wow, this is very interesting.
It's beating the garlic first and then chopping the garlic.
Mr.
Very-
Edward, do you was taking course for the cooking or not?
No, I don't. I just
But
watch
you are
a.
very professional than me.
Oh,
I just watch a
too
TV
much.
channel. I copy paste.
So why you do choosing the HR study? Why don't you choose the cook, culinary cook?
That was always an option, but I guess.
Yeah, if she wins, she will go
Actually,
definitely.
maybe if I win today, I'll go back.
You see, chef is the sexy job in the world. I
Oh,
tell you
really?
one thing, yes.
Yeah.
Because can fit beautiful girl.
Aww.
Oh, this chef is too much advice. I want a break, you know.
Okay,
So everybody wants a break. Before I answer his question, please go for a small break.
yeah, small break.
Welcome back to Kitchen Khiladi.
Khiladi.
Chef Atim Suyatim. He's
Chef
also.
Anil Kumar.
Yeah, thank you very much. നമ്മുടെ ഇവിടെ രണ്ടുപേരും പാർട്ടിസിപ്പൻസ് ഉണ്ട് ഒന്ന് തസ്നീം ഒന്ന് എഡ്വേർഡ് എഡ്വേർഡ് ഇസ് മേക്കിംഗ് സ്മോക്ക് ആൻഡ് ഷീ ഈസ് മേക്കിംഗ് ജൂലിയൻസ് both are happening in the same place. They have different sets of equipment. They have burners, they have refrigerator, they have equipment, they have everything separate and enough to create something interesting in 30 minutes only. And how
Only
much time is
30
left?
minutes.
Oh, only 20 minutes left. 10 minutes is already gone. 10 minutes is gone. Tasneem?
Yes,
Edward?
yes.
Yep.
Yeah? I
Remember
don't
your
see any
timing,
food.
please?
I don't see any food.
Yeah,
But-
but still not yet, but
Asian food is like this.
very fast. Yes, I know, you know, I believe
95% chopping and 5% cooking.
exactly, you know, and I believe the guys is both of the contestants right now really under pressure, you know.
Under
because
pressure.
This is the chance for them to go to the final.
Just getting all my prep done.
You're getting your preps done.
Yes.
Good.
Very good. Prep. No prep, no production.
Yes.
No
Prep
production, no plating.
is- No plating. No,
No
plating, no
plating.
eating.
go.
Let's see,
Yeah.
Edward.
Edward.
Here.
Edward.
Wow. Same. He make it something interesting garnish here. You know.
Edward, only 15 minutes left, huh? Half time already over. You have done nothing. Last episode, you already finished by now.
Something unusual, you know.
Garlic.
If we comparing with the Indian
What
culture.
you're looking for?
Garlic. You have to
Ah.
grate this.
Oh, you need this chopper, I think.
Chopper.
You need
Oh, I have
chopper?
to grate it. I have to
This
grate
is a great master.
Yeah, I think lady chef is always choosing the graded easy way.
They like the easy way. Only
Yes,
great.
it. Grate.
Grate the ginger, grate the garlic. Greater than nothing. Nothing is greater than kitchen Khiladi.
Need the grater.
Oh, the fish is already in the pan. Oh my God!
Do
Suddenly,
you seasoning for your fish?
Yeah. No.
you
Why not?
What oil you
I
use?
will.
You should seasoning and then you grill it. So
Did you put
the,
seasoning?
The season will be infused to the meat. Otherwise,
Yeah. Otherwise,
Not
he
taste.
will not taste
Yeah.
anything.
I mean, tasteless. It will be lose point. Right?
Exactly.
Yeah. This is again competition. You
This
know?
is semi-final round.
Yeah.
Since this is my third time here, I know that it gets. I usually burn things or I undercook things, so I think that was my main goal, to not undercook or burn anything, to have it, at a moderate level, and to cook it well and bring out the flavors well. And the pans kept getting too hot, but then from past experience, I think that was an advantage I had with my experience on the show before in the kitchens.
Be careful.
Oh, finally some action.
Yes.
When we have only
About
10 minutes left and there is some action happening here.
Please
with a
don't
knife.
using knife.
You're using knife in front of Chef
Sorry.
Atim
Don't
Suyatim.
using knife for the saute.
You want chopper?
No, thanks.
But use them for right reasons. Sesame oil, everything now.
Yeah.
Put on the fire, no?
This is soya sauce,
Lime juice,
lime juice. Exactly.
Soya sauce.
pad thai sauce. Put everything, honey. I don't care.
Yes.
I don't care as long as you don't care. But this is semi-final.
But ensure that this is
Be very careful.
very good.
Be very careful.
Safety to eat.
Yeah.
I think.
Oh my
garlic is
God,
burning.
garlic is burning or-
Garlic is burning.
Yes.
Be careful.
garlic is
just
talking
move
to
it
us.
out. Just move it. Yeah. Move it. Yeah. Be careful. Don't move it all if it's thing burning.
Your pan is getting. The problem is, kitchen Khiladi, no assistant. You are the chef, you are the commie, you are the cleaner.
While cooking, it's a challenge because I'm not used to the fires that we have over here. The fires are industrial, they're heavy, they're high, and they burn things quickly. By the time you put something on the fire and turn around to chop something else, there's something that's smoking and burning. So that was a challenge to manage. But I guess it takes time getting used to it.
The fish. This is a cross between shallow and deep fry.
Yeah.
No cutting?
No cutting.
No cutting.
You have something special different, you know.
Yeah.
Be
Wow!
careful.
Sorry about that.
We are in the last 7 minutes. Last 7 minutes of the show. Oh,
Be careful. Be careful.
don't burn yourself.
One by one. One
You
by
can
one.
take one more spoon if you want
Yes.
to turn.
Yeah.
Take
Take one more
spoon.
spoon. Take one more slicer. Yeah, use all kinds of gadgets, equipment.
Do you have insurance yet?
Be careful. I think the fish is looking very happy, eh?
Kindly, you know.
Fish is happy. I know you are not happy, maybe.
Why I'm not happy?
You are happy, okay.
I'm always happy.
What is she making there? Noodles?
Yes.
My
actually,
noodles.
They are cooking the noodle with hot water.
Yeah,
So
let me
we will
move
see.
and
But
see
mom,
what I
you only normal water.
Yeah,
Why
it's
you want hot
normal
water?
water also can, but maybe you want to speed it.
get. Yes.
I mean, she's need to speed
Manage time.
Yeah, yeah. It will be very
Good.
good.
Okay, your carrot is here.
Oh yeah, still here.
Healthy chef. Rabbit technology is very good. Rabbits always eat healthy stuff.
Everybody know the carrot. Carrot is good for health, especially in kitchen kilari. Eat carrot more, you will win.
അപ്പം പുള്ളി പറഞ്ഞ പോലെ കിച്ചൺ കിലാടിൽ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ക്യാരറ്റ് തിന്നാൻ ഒരു അവസരം ഞാൻ തരാം. ഇവിടെ വന്ന് പാർട്ടിസിപ്പേറ്റ് ചെയ്യാൻ അവസരം തരാം. നമ്മൾ
How much
എഴുതി
time
അറിയിക്കുക,
left?
വിളിച്ചറിയിക്കുക. You have 6 minutes left. വിളിച്ചറിയിക്കുക, എഴുതി അറിയിക്കുക. പിന്നെ ഫേസ്ബുക്കിൽ പോയി ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്ത് അറിയിക്കുക. Our Facebook page is Kitchen Kiladi. Okay. Oh, he's already plating.
How many minutes left, chef?
Last 5 minutes.
I need.
You need?
I need.
You need the winner prize?
The whole.
I know. What is
I need a flat plate, please. 2 flat plates.
This is gonna work now.
Or a big flat plate. I need to take my fish out.
Are you okay? ഇത് സെമി ഫൈനലാണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ കൂടുതൽ അവരെ ഉപദ്രവിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നില്ല. അവർ രണ്ടുപേരും കഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് വളരെ സ്പീഡിൽ കുക്ക് ചെയ്യാണ്, ഒരു ബാങ്കറും ഒരു സ്റ്റുഡൻറ്റും. Oh, she's doing one nice thing here. She's removing the paper so she can take out all the oil.
Yes.
Clean your table first.
Clean your table
Clean
first.
your table first and
Yeah.
do plating.
You have only 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left in this show. Are you ready, Tasneem?
Give me 1 more minute.
Okay. You have more than 1 minute.
Oh, okay.
You have 70 seconds. വെറും 70 സെക്കൻഡ് മാത്രം ബാക്കി. What do you want?
Tissue, please.
Tissue. Here. You have only 1 minute left. 60 seconds to go. 58, 57, 56. I'm not going to count more than that.
Okay. Because you're not eating more carrot, you don't have power.
You're ready? Oh, you're ready? No sound. He lost sound, but he got the dishes ready.
Very good. Giving applause to the Edward.
Okay, Edward, very nice to finish before time. We have only 20 seconds to go. The final countdown starts. You can bring your plate here. 10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2, 1. Hands up. Both are on time. Very nice. ഇന്നേ വരെ കിച്ചൺ കിലാടി എല്ലാവരും കറക്റ്റ് ടൈമിന് മുമ്പേ ഡിഷസ് പ്രിപ്പയർ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. വെരി ഗുഡ്. മബ്രൂക്ക് ടു ബോത്ത് ഓഫ് യു ഫോർ മേക്കിംഗ് ഡിഷസ് ഓൺ ടൈം. Their dishes are almost looking similar.
Yeah, we can come close. I think
Come,
we
come,
can
come, come close, come
here.
close, come close.
I really, you are under pressure, and I see your dish is beautiful over here.
Thank you.
And something is interesting is with the chili.
Started putting the plan into action. Got things onto the fire and ended up burning my garlic, which kind of knocked me off and didn't go as planned. So the whole dish that came out at the end wasn't as it was meant to be in my head, but never mind, it was okay.
And I will test it that, and I will judging that which one is the best for today, and go to the final round.
Yeah, one person will be chopped. Definitely. Only one person will go up. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, I think I took it too. I tried to take my time with it because I always rushed and messed something up. So I took my time with it this time, but then again towards the end I was rushing because I was running out of time. But I finished with a minute to spare to plate.
Go away. Go away. Chef,
Yes.
you are ready?
Yep.
Let's judge. Ladies first.
Ladies first. Okay, very good here. In here, I see the presentation wise is not so on, and then skill also a little bit coming up, but we need to taste it all of this dish. Yeah.
Yes.
In here, very interesting. Only one thing, they make it chili oil, which is spreading to the fish, so it will flavoring all of around the fish. So, Solvi.
We'll eat the fish first.
Yeah.
I like to eat the tail part. I don't know why.
I think it's here
Habit.
is the best, yeah. I will stop it. I will not comment it right now. In here, how about this?
You like the fish? You like the fish?
Absolutely, because they have a good seasoning and enhanced with the flavor of oil also. Okay.
Oh.
But we must combine eating together fish and the noodle because of this is one composition.
Taking noodles and eating. We are looking at Tasneem's plate now. Pork, fish, noodles, vegetables.
You will find it better. Yeah?
Better. Better than eating separately.
I like here because they have creativity between the sweet, spicy, and soft rice.
Very nice.
You got it?
Right, okay. Next is
I
Edward.
need to bring to make it natural, you know. I believe why this is lemon over here have to be squeezing for the fish.
Ah, if there is a lemon, it should be squeezed. Otherwise, what is the lemon?
Yeah, what the use because all of thing in the plate you must to use it. Okay.
Great.
The side.
Interesting. Edward D'Souza from Goa. This is what is this? Chili vinegar.
You taste it. We will tell later.
In the black box, we had given rice noodles, Japanese green chili,
Okay.
sea bass fillets,
Yeah.
Japanese mushroom,
Okay.
and some red capsicum.
So what to do? I believe we supposed to be do like this.
We will pour this.
Then we will found
I
it.
was waiting for you to do it the real way, how you eat at home.
Okay.
Now we will eat
Yeah. Sure.
everything together. Interesting.
I, This is the way how the chef to educated the
But I found a bone, huh?
yeah.
Fish bone.
This is fish is not mistake from what I think is because of fish is inside that bone. You know, but the thing is they have teach us the chef to educate to the customer how the way to eat it, not only the sauce eating it.
Correct.
Okay. Anyway,
We will wait for them to go.
yes,
I
and we
mean,
will decide who
is the
is
winner?
actually top of in the Kitchen Kiladi semi-final.
Yes. Yep. Let's close it before anybody sees it.
Sure.
Come on. This is the winner.
Yep.
That is the winner inside.
Yes.
Call them here.
answer.
Tasneem, come.
Congratulations for your semi-final.
Thank you.
Okay.
Edward?
And then Edward,
you.
congratulations to Edward. You know, for semi-final round is really very tough today.
You have finished in time, both of you.
Finish in time.
Congratulations.
And then it's just only offer and less in this semi-final competition. One is must be going to the home. We
One will
send it
go to
home.
next Kitchen Kiladi final.
Yes.
So, who is that?
We will open now and 1, 2, 3. This is the winner.
Wow. So, congratulations and Mabruk. Tasneem, congratulations.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you.
You did a good job.
Thank you.
Chef, let's have a few words from you
Yes.
regarding what she
this-
did right
yeah.
and what he did wrong.
Actually, it's not wrong the cooking. You know?
Okay.
The first of all, the cooking, seasoning, taste is really well. Here, if I make it apart, the fish is seasoning well with the blend olive chili oil. Here, blend very well.
I started. Judge Athan was very helpful. He gave me a lot of tips to start with, and he told me what he's looking forward to, what he expects, what he does not expect. And I think that helped me a lot to just focus on my main ingredients and the ingredients in the black box. He said that was pretty crucial, and to just keep my flavor simple. I think that's what pushed me to do a stir fry. So, yeah.
The noodle is not seasoning. We must pouring the sauce, you know. But then one customer coming to your restaurant, they will eating well first, you know. Sauce is only add once the sauce is not enough.
Chef Atim was a fantastic chef. he approached the show and the contestants like they were new contestants and they were not professionals, and he handled that pretty well. He gave us tips, advice, and pretty good stuff. I think he did a good job in helping us through the session.
Your mushroom unbelievable today. There is no seasoning, you know.
Seasoning in the
It
mushroom.
make it spoil other dish. Your fish is good, but the mushroom and the noodle is really tasteless.
So you have your debriefing. Now it's time for giving the certificates and the prize. Chef, I want you to give to Tasneem Lafir
Okay.
the winner's certificate. You are the winner of
Congratulations.
semi-final, which
You
is
have
an
to go
amazing
final.
level. Congratulations.
Very
Kitchen
hard.
Khiladi is a semi-final winner. Tasneem Lafir and Edward D'Souza. You have come to semi-final all the way. You're a banking person. Your presentation was very good. You just need to take care of the seasoning. That's all.
Kitchen Khiladi, I think excellent exposure for people. More people should join. It is something that can take the fright out of you, let you control your nerves, because it is not funny.
You have a restaurant dining voucher from Fuego Restaurant near Burj Khalifa. Restaurant dining voucher from Fuego Restaurant in Suk Al Bahar. Go take your family and have a dinner there. And here is a signature dishes of Dubai chefs.
Oh, okay.
Okay? This is for the winner. Tasneem, go and make signature dishes like how you have made today. This dish is dedicated to you, which is a signature of yours, which win you the semi-final position despite you coming as a wild card. So we always knew there is a talent behind you, which can be tapped. So leave HR and come and join, become a chef. All right? Okay, with that message, it's time to say goodbye in Kitchen Khiladi. അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച വീണ്ടും ഒരു സെമിഫൈനൽ റൗണ്ട് വേണ്ടി കാത്തിരിക്കുക. വരാൻ മറക്കല്ലേ മീഡിയ വൺ ഗൾഫിൽ. Till then, goodbye from Chef Anil Kumar, Chef Atim.
Sriyatim.
Suyatim, yes. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.